How to make my YouTube video go viral. Imagine your YouTube video reaching millions of viewers, skyrocketing your channel to fame, and becoming the talk of the internet. It's time to discover some powerful tips and techniques that can propel your video to viral success. For a video to achieve viral status, it needs to resonate with a specific audience and gain a significant number of views in a short amount of time. Posting videos consistently and interacting with viewers by responding to comments and questions will help you build a loyal audience. YouTube Shorts also play a significant role in building a strong presence on YouTube. Sharing clips of longer videos as YouTube Shorts can attract more eyes to your content and increase views on your channel. To maximize engagement, post your shorts during peak hours. Storytelling techniques are powerful tools that can captivate and inspire your audience. Incorporating graphics into your content creates a more engaging experience for your viewers. Make your YouTube videos more engaging and memorable with humor and entertainment. Get creative, be inspiring, add transitions, jump cuts, add music, keep it short, and use titles and voiceovers where appropriate. Incorporating bright colors and eye-catching visuals can also help your videos stand out and appeal to a wider audience. When incorporating trends in your YouTube Shorts, ensure that they are connected to your content to make them more impactful. Leveraging trending music can also give your YouTube Shorts the greatest chance of success. To maximize visibility, identify keywords and incorporate them into the title, description, and video content. The title and caption of a YouTube short are key to making it both engaging and successful. Create eye-catching thumbnails that convey the content of the video. You can create custom thumbnails using editing softwares like Canva to make your YouTube videos stand out. Connect your Facebook and Twitter accounts with your YouTube account to help broaden your reach and increase engagement. Examine successful viral videos and identify common elements that resonate with viewers. Making your YouTube video go viral is an achievable goal when you understand the elements of viral videos. Go ahead and implement these tips and techniques, and watch your YouTube videos skyrocket to viral success.